The Climate 5000 systems offer heat pumps with an efficiency of up to 25 CR. They are very quiet and are available for single and multi-zone applications. The units can work with a wired wall-mounted control and feature an occupancy sensor to save energy. They are backed by a very good warranty but can only be installed by factory-authorized dealers. The heat pumps have refrigerant leakage detection but use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units are compatible with the Bosch Wi-Fi thermostats for remote monitoring and control. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacForBeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.